Morning students. Today we are discussing shift register. I Umakant Indoria, which elaborate the shift register. We know that one flip-flop can store one bit of information. In order to store multiple bits of information, we require multiple flip-flops. The group of flip-flops which are used to hold the binary data is known as shift register. If the register is capable of shifting bits either towards right hand side or towards left hand side, it is known as shift register. This is a sequential device loads the data present on its input and then moves or shifts it to its output once every clock cycle, hence the name shift register. A shift register basically consists of several signal bit D type data latch, one for each data bit, either a logic 0 or a logic 1 connected together in a serial type daisy chain arrangement so that the output from one data latch becomes the input of the next latch and so on. An n bit shift register can contains n flip-flops. The number of individual data latches requires to make up a shift register device usually determined by the number of bits to be stored, with the most common being 8 bit 1 byte wide constructed for 8 individual data latches. A shift register can also be used for the storage of the data, which is differentiated by many types as 2-bit shift register, 3-bit shift register, 4-bit shift register. For this purpose, we are mainly use flip-flops to store the data. Shift register are used for data storage or for the movement of data and are therefore commonly used inside calculator, computers, or storage data. The data from either a serial to parallel or parallel to serial format. There are 4 types of shift registers. Number 1, SISO, serial in serial out shift register. SIPO, serial in parallel out shift register. Parallel in serial out shift register. PISO, parallel in parallel out shift register. Initially we are discussing about the serial in serial out shift register. The shift register, which allows serial input and produce serial output, is known as serial in serial out shift register. The block diagram of 4-bit SISO shift register is shown in the following figure. The block diagram consists of 4 D flip-flops which are cascaded. That means the output of one D flip-flop is connected as the input of next D flip-flop. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock signal is applied to each one. In this shift register, we can send the bit serially from the input of the leftmost D flip-flop. Hence, this is also called serial input. From this figure, we can understand this. This is the serial input we are applying from this, and at this point, we are applying the clock pulse for individual flip-flop. When the clock pulse is applied for the flip-flop, the flip-flop starts to store the data, and for the next clock pulse, the output of first flip-flop FFA is the input of the second flip-flop FFB, and again for the next clock this process is continuous, and due to the cascading process, this process continues till the last flip-flop as FFD. And for for every positive edge triggering of clock signal, the data shifts from one stage to the next stage, so we can receive the bits serially from the output of the rightmost D flip-flop. Hence the output is also called serial output. So we can say that we can achieve the output as serial in which we are providing to the flip-flop to the shift register. So this is known as serial in serial out shift register. The data is shifted serially in and out of the register one bit at a time in either left or right direction under clock control. Now the second type of shift register is serial in parallel out shift register. Serial in parallel out shift register The shift register, which allows serial input and produce parallel output, is known as serial in parallel out shift register. The block diagram or 4-bit SIPO shift register is shown in the following figure. The register is loaded with serial data 1 bit at a time, with the stored data being available at the output in parallel form. In this serial in parallel out shift register, the data is entered serially, similarly as the serial in serial output shift register, where with the help of clock we apply the data or we insert the data in the register, but when we require the data at the output, we have to apply a single clock for achieving the output, and the output is in parallel. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flop which are cascaded. That means output of one D flip-flop is connected as the input of next D flip-flop. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock signal is applied to each one. In this shift register, we can send the bit serially from the input of leftmost D flip-flop. Hence, this input is also called as serial input. For every positive edge triggering of clock signal, the data shifts from one stage to the next stage. In this case, we can assess the output for each D flip-flop in parallel, so we will get parallel output from the shift register. The third type of shift register is parallel in serial out shift register, in which we are inserting the data parallelly and achieving the output in serial manner. The shift register, which allows parallel out input and produces serial output, is known as parallel in serial out shift register. The block diagram of 4-bit PISO shift register is shown in the following figure, which shows that the data is applied or inserted in the register with the help of mux. We are using here 4 multiplexers, which is helpful to insert the data in the flip-flop. One bit is applied from the input side, and other input of the mux is the previous value of the output of previous flip-flop. This circuit consists of 4 D flip-flop which are cascaded. That means the output of one D flip-flop is connected as the input of next D flip-flop. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock signal is applied to each one. In the shift register, we can apply the parallel input to each D flip-flop by making preset enable to 1. For every positive edge triggering of clock signal, the data shifts from one stage to the next stage, so we will get the serial output from the rightmost D flip-flop. For this purpose, we achieving for the output serial data when we applying the clock pulse. The next shifting is processing, and as we getting serial out in this process, we also collect the data at the output. And the last is parallel in parallel out type shift register. The parallel data is loaded simultaneously into the register and transferred together to their respectively output by the same clock pulse. This circuit also consists of 4 D flip-flop which are cascaded, and in the shift register we can apply the data as a parallel input to each D flip-flop by making preset enable to 1. We can apply the parallel input through preset or clear. These two are asynchronous input. That means the flip-flops produce a corresponding output based on the values of asynchronous input. In this case, the effect of output is independent of clock transition, so we will get parallel output from each D flip-flop. So these are the 4 types of shift registers which are useful to store the data with the help of flip-flops. Where we need more data to storage, then we have cascaded the combination of flip-flop to get the register and store the more amount of data. Thank you.